Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to fix Fire TV remote flashing orange or yellow. Turn the remote back and remove the batteries. Then wait for a minute, then refix the batteries. Then press the circle right side button and at the same time press the back forward button. Press and hold for about 3 seconds. Now press the menu button. Now press any button from your remote. If blue light blinks, your problem fixed. If problem is not solved, then unplug the TV from the power source. Then wait for 15 seconds. Then turn on your TV. Now press and hold the home button. Hold for about 15 seconds. If it is not connected, press the button multiple times. By following the steps, you can fix Fire TV remote flashing orange or yellow.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.